Hello YouTube, this is Mike again, back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Um, for my RC guys out there, I know I haven't been doing much RC lately, but I've been wanting to get back in and get going. I recently bought this Logo 200, and I thought I'd do a little overview on it, kind of unboxing if I've already opened it. But kind of unboxing. Now I know there's plenty of videos out there, but hey, I got me one. I might as well do me a video on it. Yeah. So first of all, this is the Logo 200. This is the packaging that it comes in. I'm using my V-Touch controller for it. Let me open it up so you guys can get a look at it and see what's going on inside. Here's that nice foam that it comes in. And for one thing, I know a lot of people know, and maybe some people don't know, that OMP made this helicopter for Logo. Yep, they made this for Logo. I guess sourced it out, and they did a real good job. So let's open it up here. Okay, that's what it looks like in the packaging. Let's get it out. There you have it. Nice canopy. Yeah. Let me take the canopy off so you guys can get a look at the components. Okay. To start off, the blades, the main blades are 173 millimeter blades. Yeah. 173 millimeter blades. The VTX blades that they make for bigger helicopters, Logo. But yeah, has a nice aluminum head on it. The tail blades are 71 millimeters. Yeah. And the system, it's powered by the V-Bar Evo. Yeah. So one thing about this helicopter, little bitty helicopter having a V-Bar Evo, it's nice to be hooked up to the V-Touch. You can do a lot of trims and settings to make the helicopter fly the way you want. But to be honest, because it has presettings, all you have to do is when you're setting the helicopter up, you go to Logo 200 and all the settings are in. And to be honest, the only thing, now you guys have seen a lot of my videos where I fly, and I'm a medium decent flyer. I'm not this big time hardcore 3D flyer, but I do my flips and rolls and stuff like that. And so the only thing I've changed in the settings, I gave it a little bit more expo. And for you guys that don't know about expo is around center on your sticks. It just makes it a little bit softer. Your movements won't be so fast on the cyclic. That's all I've changed so far, and I've flown it just fine. But yeah, and one thing that this is being OMP helicopter made, it has an OMP speed controller. It has an OMP motor, main motor, and it has an OMP tail motor on it. And One thing I've been real amazed about a lot of the newer small helicopters, they have a lot of the tail authority is real strong. Back in the day when I used to have old MCPX little helicopter, they were nice, but you couldn't really stick bang them and get a lot of movements out of them. The tails would blow out on them. And one way that was good, and way that was bad because it made me a better flyer. I was more precise and gentle on the sticks. So when I did maneuvers, I didn't stick bang and then it would throw the tail out. It made me a better pilot. Yeah, but so yeah, it has carbon fiber frame on it. Nice carbon fiber frame. Um, it did come with let me show you guys. The battery is on a battery tray, and you pull this little pin here. This little clip right here. This one right here, you pull it, and then you can, let me see. You pull it, and that releases the battery. And it snaps in pretty secure. Yep. And this battery is an OMP battery. I wrote these down so I wouldn't forget. It comes with a battery. The OMP battery that it came with, it's a 3-cell, 650 milliamp, and it's a 45C battery. But I bought a few upgrade batteries. Now this is a OMP battery too, but it's 750 milliamp and it's a 60C battery. So yeah. So and they're not expensive. They're not expensive. That's one thing about flying small helicopters. It's not as expensive as like buying a big battery. These small batteries are nice to have. Yeah, and easy and cheap. And one thing about this canopy, I really like the canopy. Great looking canopy, but I purchased an extra canopy. If you go on the website, Logo websites, they have like 6 different canopies you can buy. I do actually like this one better, but I bought this bright orange one because it's a smaller helicopter, and once it gets out away from you, it's a little hard it may be a little hard to distinguish what direction and stuff, but this bright orange canopy will help out with that. Yeah. Let me see. Have I covered it? Have I covered anything? Everything? Yeah, I guess that's about it. Hey guys, stay tuned. I'll be make a quick video flying this pretty soon. So hey, hope you guys enjoyed this. As always, don't forget, like, subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.